Alright guys, we got a 2019 Audi S5, really sexy, white on black, the black top, and it's got a white all the way around. And what we did on it, got factory converters up there on the manifolds. Then he ordered a kit by VPS VERSTARKT, whatever, I don't know, right there. Here it is. It's a kit they sell for $250. And what it does is it deletes the mid mufflers. We just installed it for them. What you have to do is cut 2.5 inches away from each clamp, from the downpipe, there and there. And then you unclap them here. You reuse the original clamps there. And they supply the clamps here and there. And then you just install them, cut them off and install them right there. Still got the factory mid resonator. And still got the factory mufflers there and there. And factory valves and all that good stuff. There's the two resonators right there that were on it, pre-mufflers they call them. And we make sure they were resonators before we even started working on it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but they're empty inside. All right, and that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And like always guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Yeah, tell them to show them. This is where the valves close, guys. Right at 98. And now he's going to open the valves. Sport plus plus. Yeah, I changed it. Again. Right at. Go ahead. There's that marble. Again. It's right at 97, still 98. But when you go down the road, it's a whole different car. Did it have the barber before, even with those other ones? Yeah. You gotta get it tuned. Still not bad though. Yeah, that's sick. I like it. Go ahead and back it out. S5. Quattro. Oh, that's good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. S5 mid muffler delete, or baby resonators, whatever you want to call them. Still sexy though. Beautiful car. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like. Go. Valves open.